Today we're going to do a comparison with this Teslong inflator against this MILWAUKEE M12 inflator. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the show. Today we'll be showcasing this Teslong portable tire inflator. It was sent to me by Teslong to review and unbox. Now, I can already see right away that it has a very large display here. That's very nice. Looks like there's some storage on the back here. Oh yeah, got all your attachments there. Nice. Has your hose, of course. And I like, again, the quick disconnect here. I like that. I don't like the screw-on ones. All right. Let's it comes with a quick start guide and some instructions. Here goes the battery that comes with it. Well, got a full charge. That's very nice. This is the charge port for your Type C. Oh, yeah, see, nice big display. Got a light here. And emergency flasher. Long press that to turn it off. Long press this to turn it off. There you go. Long press to turn it on. And then short press to activate it. You can toggle through all the modes here. Okay, you have kilograms, PSI, bar, KPA. Let's go to pounds, PSI. Oh, and it has a small inflator in the front here. And you just put your Type C and plug it up here, and that becomes a portable little inflator for these attachments here. Let's go over those attachments now. There's very large quick start guide, which is very important because you don't always have the luxury of having good eyes and looking at the small print and the instructions. So I like how large the print is on the start guide here. Now it says that the attachments are good for storage bags. That's really good. It looks like inflatable cushions and similar products, and inflatable toys, and for small inflatable bolts here. So very nice. Up next we have this M12 by Milwaukee. It also has attachments in the back, but this one has the connection where you have to screw it on. That, in my opinion, is not a good feature. But I do enjoy using this. This is my personal unit. This is not sponsored at all. But let's do like a head-to-head competition, if we will. Now let's deflate this back down to 36. Look at those specs. Well, let's weigh out the pros and cons here. With the Teslong, you have a variety of attachments and the emergency flasher and the flashlight. The Milwaukee does not. Although this is more of a tow-on in your vehicle type inflator, where this is not, but that was just a small part of the comparisons. This one has a 22-inch hose when this one has a 26-inch hose. But also the Milwaukee has the screw-on type connector when the Teslong has the quick disconnect. Also, the display where you can toggle in between types of pressures where the Milwaukee does not. I appreciate everybody following along today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Everything that you see here in the description. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.